Hi, come on in. I've got this beautiful townhouse here at 3603 Knight Street. It's a beautiful 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 3 stories, 1,250 square feet. And as you come on through, this is a beautiful space. It's all in one. You've got your dining room, living room, and kitchen in one spot. This home has been beautifully staged by my designer, and I absolutely find this is the coziest home you can find. You can entertain, and really, this feels larger than 1,250 square feet. You've got your kitchen, you've got your island, you also got a half bath for your guests, and really, what more can you ask for here in this beautiful space? And here we are on the 2nd floor. You have 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom. What I love about this home, you have so much storage space, tons and tons of linen closets, and this room is such a great space. Plus, you've got great room for not only a bed, but also a work desk here now that more and more people are working from home. And here is your 3rd floor master bedroom. You got your own private ensuite. Plus, if you have a lot of clothing and need a lot of storage, this is the home for you. Look at the amount of cupboard space. You got a walk-in closet right there, plus another one right behind me. I know I have a lot of clothes, so I want to highlight this feature. This space is big enough for a king-size bed. Plus, right behind me is your own private deck that looks out into the east, where you can wake up to the morning sunrise. Now, a few highlights of this kitchen is that you got beautiful 9-foot ceilings. You also got this portable island here that you can move to the side so they can entertain your friends and family when they're over in this nice open space. You also got full-size stainless steel appliances. Plus, look at these beautiful granite countertops and a double mount under sink. Not only that, if you're cooking a beautiful, hearty, delicious meal, open up your window, make your neighbors jealous. I'm going to exit now out of the 2nd entrance that you have to this townhouse. Again, my name is Denise Mai. If you would like to book a private viewing, feel free to contact me. And as you come on through here, I'm going to show you your private space that's looking out to the courtyard. Bye for now.
Got it.
Okay. Gosh, it was so hard about that one. Okay, done. And a few highlights of this kitchen is this one more time. Portable kitchen, beautiful count. You can make her jealous. Damn it!
Okay.
Same, but different.
All right.
Okay.
And action.